This is a stack iris palm peat that I bought at Checkers for 35 rand, and I'll be using this to start my seed. But before I do that, I needed to soak it with warm water to expand this block, and this is what I'm doing right now. And this will just help it to expand way faster than using the cold water method. As you can see right here, it's already starting to break apart. Hello and assalamu alaikum. If you're new to this channel, my name is Shadia and this is my backyard container garden in Port Elizabeth, South Africa. So now I'm ready to start my seed. Even the soil has cooled down and there's enough moisture in the peat. This is what I got for today's unboxing. I've got this container here. This is my fruit tree container that I ordered from Takealot. I've got 2 other boxes with garden products, also got it from Takealot. And then I've got this box here. This is from Grow Pack. It has some seeds and some seedling trays inside it. Alright, so starting with the first box, I'll be starting with the Takealot box. Alright, so what's inside this box is, alright, so 1 bottle of Wonder kelp. This one I place order because I want to use this for my roses as well as my vegetables. Alright, so let's open the second box. I don't want to take your time opening this box or doing the unboxing, so I'll just do it real quick. This box is a little bit hard to open. As for the second box, I've got this Copstar. It says for diseases in fruit trees and vegetables, copper containing fungicide. So yeah, this one I bought it mainly for my fruit trees as well as my roses, or just any plant that has to be suffering from downy mildew and leaf spot as well as powder mildew. That is the main reason why I bought this. And it also says that this product is organic, but I don't see it here on the box. Yeah, it says organic fungicide, 100 mils. So that one, well, this is just my hand cream, inexpensive from Takealot. I saw a ton of review on that one. I saw a ton of review on this hand cream, and I just bought it. For the last box, there's a ton of sellotape on this box here. I don't know why is that. So it's gonna take a little while to open it, I guess. Not as long as I thought. So this is the list for my products, the products that I placed order for. Let's see what I got. Echinacea seeds, carrot seeds, marigold seed, petunia seed, cosmo seed, tomato, Rambler F1 seed, Rebecca seed, the plastic cavity trays, Conferna seed, and lobelia seeds. Alright, so let's open them. Alright, these are my seeds. And these are my trays. Let me see how many I got. 1, 2. Yeah, I got 12. And then what I placed order for. So for the seeds, I'll be putting pictures on the screen to show you as to how the flower or the vegetables look like. So this one here is the marigold, the Tahitian yellow marigold. This one here is Lobelia rivaria blue eyes. This one here is the Nantes carrots. This one here is Echinacea power white. This one here is Rebecca Claire Orange, Gomphrena Purple, Tomato Tumbler F1, Cosmo Sonata Pink, and 2 packs of Petunia Easy Waves White. So that's all I got for my seeds, and that's it for my unboxing. We'll also have this container. I showed you before. This container here measures 39 centimeters in height and 52 centimeters in width. And it comes from Takealot, but I ordered under the company Adis or Addis. I don't know how you pronounce it. Addis. Yeah, so this is where I got it from. I thought I'll be using the soil, but I won't be using it for today because mainly I will be starting seeds and not potting seeds. So what I'll be using instead, I'll be using 100% coco peat for my seed starting. I really like using this because it's soft, it holds moisture for longer periods, and it also allows the seed to germinate easily without anything blocking the seeds from germinating, like chunks of wood chip chunks and all of that. So the reason why I have this with me is because I wanted to show you that how easy it is to remove any marker pen from or any permanent marker on your container if you have used your container but you want to reuse it. So you just take this is just surgical spirits or alcohol that I use with a 5 minutes this is, and then you just use it to wipe the dirt off. See how easy that is to remove. Very, very windy today. So the container is back to being reusable. So what I will do, I'll just I've already planned my seeding station in order here. Every seed with their own tray as well as a label for the seeds. Some of the seeds I'll be seeding them in the 6-pack container, and some of the seeds I'll also be seeding them just in the single container. And the other thing I just wanted to tell you to give you as a tip is that you can use just a regular drink bottle to cut off your labeling, what do you call this, your labeling tags. And this is it's very cheap, it's very affordable, and I can say it's free. It's just a regular drink bottle and you got the labels from there. So that's what I use, and it's really working really great for me. You don't need to buy those expensive labels. If you want, you can, but if you don't want, you can also use this method as I use. The other way, as I told you, you can just write straight on the container and then erase it later on if you want to reuse your container. So now I'm done sowing my seeds right here, as you can see. And the seeds that I sowed are the Gamphrena here in this tray. I only got one tray of Gamphrena. Here at the back I've got 2 trays of Cosmos and Etta Pink. Here in the front I've got 2 trays of Zinnia Zahara Double Raspberry. This tray here I've got in this container I've got the Lobelia Blue. Here I got the Petunia, the Easy Waves Petunia. In this container here I've got the Echinacea. Here I have eggplant. Here I have the Petio tumbler tomatoes. Here I've got the Rudbeckia. And in this last tray here I have the I've got the marigold, the Tahitian yellow variety. So if you look at this container, and this container, I didn't cover the seeds because all these 3 seeds, they need light to germinate and very tiny, hence they've got some coating on them. As you can see, all the seeds are coated. So yeah, and now I'm proceeding with watering my seeds, and here I'm using a pressure pump spray, and I am spraying my seeds from a distance because I am trying to avoid flushing my seeds away or blowing my seeds away. After that, I take my seeds into the greenhouse, and that's where they will be sitting until they germinate. So this is at 2.5 weeks later, and my seeds 90% of them germinated and they all look great. I only lost like a few seeds to slugs, and those were my marigold seeds, but nonetheless everything is doing great. Alright guys, thank you for watching and thank you for your everyday support. Until next time, assalamu alaikum and bye everyone. If you like this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more.